Well, hey there. You know, I was asked recently, why am I still doing this? Why am I still building boats? Why do I still have the channel if I'm not out there working every week? And that's what I want to let you know. Well, like everybody, we've been very busy. My day job is keeping me very busy. Even though I'm semi-retired, I'm still working more hours than before I retired, I think. It's been crazy with the economy and with business, and when you're self-employed, you got to work when the hay shines, I guess you say. When the day shines, the hay shines. Anyways, you got to make hay when you can. So we've been working long hours and haven't had a chance to work on the boat. Here it is, summer. It's we're in the end of June, and I mean, like today it's like 90 degrees, beautiful day. Matter of fact, for this Panga, all I have left to do is take the cover off it, which I did once so far in this warm weather. It needs to be sanded and painted, and I can have it out there in the water. And I just bought this little beauty over here, the, what is that, a Sea Nymph 14. Okay, I bought that from my brother about a month ago. Haven't had it in the water yet either, okay. It's got a motor that needs to be worked on, but it's just, you know, life happens when you have the time. You don't have the time. And we're also in the process of trying to find a house way up north, up Bangor way, okay, up northern Maine. And so my motivation is, we're hoping to get there by winter, maybe even before. And my motivation has always been, when I get there, then I'm going to get back to boat building. In fact, I still have my goal of building my beautiful houseboat and going touring all over the coast by the time I'm 70. I'm getting there, and I still am on track, so that's going to happen. So when we get moved, if not before, then I'll be working on this one and finishing it up and starting a houseboat. We're going to have the room, and not just this little room between two buildings. We're going to have the garage and the room outside to be able to expand, to be able to build, to get the houseboat and do a lot of other DIY projects that I've been wanting to do. So we are motivated. I don't want to quit because I love what I'm doing. I love the feeling of getting out here working with the boat when I have the time. There's something about working with wood and seeing the grain. Ooh, it gets to you. Smelling that fiberglass, feeling it go down your throat, and coughing and no, going a little too far here. But I love doing it, and one of my most fun things to do is being here and speaking to you folks. I've met a lot of wonderful people. I've had some of them come visit me. I've interviewed many of them, some who've passed on, but a lot more that are around that have helped me, that have motivated me, that have given me ideas. And I really love being able to share this with you and to hear your stories coming back to me. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.